For the first time, spacecraft orbiting Mars have captured a glimpse of a visitor from another star system, Comet 3IATLAS. From the 1st of October to the 7th of October, the European Space Agency's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter and Mars Express spacecraft watched the interstellar comet 3IATLAS as it moved past Mars, roughly 30 million kilometers away. Both spacecraft used their cameras to take pictures of the dim comet, which showed up as a tiny, hazy white spot. The Hubble Space Telescope gave us one of the clearest views back in July 2025. You can see a bright center, that's the comet's core, surrounded by a soft glow called the coma. The stars behind it look like streaks because Hubble was tracking the comet's motion as it moved. From these photos, astronomers estimate the solid nucleus to be just less than 3 kilometers across. Small, but bright and very active, even though it is far from the Sun. Down here on Earth, observatories like Gemini North and the Very Large Telescope have been following 3IATLAS too. By stacking multiple exposures through different filters, they've managed to isolate the comet from background stars, showing a clear dust coma, and more recently, the early stages of a growing tail. Now, that tail tells us one thing for sure. The comet is waking up as it warms on its journey toward the Sun. Then, there's the James Webb Space Telescope, which took infrared measurements on the 6th of August, 2025. Webb picked up a strong carbon dioxide signature with smaller traces of water and carbon monoxide, basically confirming the 3IATLAS is made up of the same frozen gases we see in many comets, but with some unusual chemistry. NASA's Sphere X mission also detected water ice and confirmed a large carbon dioxide cloud around the comet. This is another sign of active outgassing. Together, these observations help scientists estimate how much material the comet is releasing every second. Between October the 1st and 7th, the European Space Agency's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter and Mars Express spacecraft observed the interstellar comet 3IATLAS as it passed near Mars, about 30 million kilometers away. Each used its camera to capture images of the faint comet, which appeared as a small, blurry white dot. The comet's solid core couldn't be seen because it was too far away, but its surrounding gas and dust cloud, called the coma, was visible. The coma forms as sunlight heats the comet, releasing gas and dust. The tail wasn't visible yet, but may appear as the comet gets closer to the Sun. These are real, verifiable observations. They show us gas, dust, and activity, but they don't show a sharp, detailed surface. No craters, no ridges, no close-ups, and that's important to remember. Any image that looks too crisp or too cinematic probably isn't coming from NASA or the European Space Agency. Right now, 3IATLAS is still on its way toward the Sun, with its closest approach expected in late October 2025. Spacecraft around Mars and Jupiter are also tracking it, and we'll likely see new data as those results are processed and released. We just need to be a little patient. Every new reading, whether it's light, gas, or dust, adds another clue to where this comet came from and how other solar systems build their planets. So that's what we know so far. Fascinating, real science still unfolding. If you'd like the facts without the hype, subscribe and join me here on True Cosmic Tales. Let's watch the universe reveal its story, one discovery at a time. Until next time.